Ain't no stopping me. I'm above Kent. We apostrophes. Seen all sides and oh my dang!
Mick Jenkins just dropped a new album called The Patience, know what I'm saying? He dropped Smoke Break and Guapanese, I believe that's the other song he dropped. Both of them was fire. First song we got is Michelin Star. Let's get it. Okay. Off Gates with the production? Damn.
Speakers knock, but I didn't get it by my lonely lighters up. I gotta burn one for the homies that forever stayed down since the only
Off rip. Speaker knock, but I'm not always by my lonely. Put one up for the homies that forever stayed. The first bar of the album coming off like that was kind of crazy. Peace. Yeah, rest in peace, Brody, man.
Only island that we seen was stony water, murky. That shit felt more like the Everglades. High rises built just like Section 8. You trapped up there, purging all this food shit. Know that you can smell the sage. You step in here, bagging up the echinacea. What's the T on me? He too low key. I'm selling lemonade. I stay out the opinion base, but not in your face. Shifting shapes when they in your space. I'm a square reader, a small circle, and we ain't adding a hair neither. The orange tortoise came out of my shell. Niggas not here for the fair weather. Ain't under no spell. I know you smell what a nigga cooking. I'm hungry as hell. These niggas gon' bear witness.
Yo, for real, bro. Before he said something about being hungry, I was just about to say, this nigga's rapping like he hungry as hell, bro. Hungry for that shit, like. I'm like, it's Thanksgiving. For real.
Proofreading these plates with a fine tooth comb over the line crooked. Still casting lines, now I'm hooking big fish out these waves.
I'm sorry, I stepped away from the lyricism and just started appreciating the beat. Oh my gosh, bro, this shit is amazing, bro. Good fucking start to the album. I'm not even done with the song, bro, but this first song is amazing, bro.
Remember niggas went through their parts, no complaints. And the art get contaminated and hearts full of shades. And not to harp on the hate. Hey, speakers knock, but I didn't get it by my lonely lighters up. I gotta burn one for the homies that forever stayed down.
Man, he should have kicked off a second verse. Fuck it. Next song we got is Show and Tell featuring Freddie Gibbs. Let's get it.
Wasn't even trying to outgrow niggas. Sometimes you just outgrow niggas.
Facts.
1 degree of separation these days. No hesitation, I just be a bit more patient these days. These niggas shit wasted but time. Throwing tomatoes, can't catch up, nigga. I came from behind. Nigga, I made up my mind. Can't give a fuck by the list. Which end we burning it at? Loading up magazines like where the real journalists at.
Yeah, quickly loading up magazines like where the real journalists at. Come on, bro. That's tough, bro. That's tough.
OP is quickly turned into trash. We flipping the page. Penny sage, money age like grapes, nigga. We getting fermented bags. Tell them I stay on my grind like I had permanent fronts. Say they kill multiple games. AAU tournament stunts. Been low key as fuck. Whole Foods in the hood just started opening up. Copious smoke coming out. Blunt as the dope rolling up.
This ain't nothing deep, but he said Whole Foods in the hood just started opening up and shit. It's kind of crazy because, like, why can't we eat the healthier shit? Like, we gotta go all the way out our way to eat the healthier shit. Why can't everybody be able to have easy access to that?
I'ma have to show these niggas I can't tell them shit. Too much talking and you sounding like you selling shit.
Yeah.
I'ma have to show these niggas I'ma have to. Freddie! You gon' have to. I'ma have to show these niggas I can't tell them shit. Every bitch a nigga fuck wanna have my baby, I can go sell a bit. Nigga fuck undercover lover, got a couple county bitches like my valley bitches and my blood bitches in the jungle. Yeah, nigga rap, but I ain't in the rap game, cause the rap shit'll take you wonder what you really dirty nigga. Go to bitches do their best to try to tear me down. Living legend status where I'm at, baby. Gangsta I put it on the map, baby. Fin ball streets of the joint. Big rabbit, I bounce on the bitch. City boys up 100 points, nigga. What? These hoes, one of these days, one of these hoes gon' break your trust. Living ain't but they turning the traffic, getting real niggas getting locked up. One of these days, one of these niggas gon' break your trust. Yeah, fuck.
Damn, bro. God damn.
Don't have to pardon my fascination with niggas' exaggerations. There's definitely no lack of imagination, and at the same time, so much to be desired. It's been so much.
That shit was so crazy, bro. Oh my god.
That shit was so smooth.
Yeah, for real. It definitely was.
Waited, I'm sliding, he lying, I can't be. Waited, I write it, I gotta be playwright. Waited, they folding, it gotta be laundry day, right? It's always weird when actors get stage fright. I'm burning in sage like Kyrie on game night.
You gonna have to show me, nigga. Got 3 fucking crazy ass features back to back. We got Freddie on this song, Benny the Butcher on the neck, then JID. Before we get on to any other song, I want to say this, bro. This is one time he had posted 3 snippets. If you have any of them 3 on this album, I'm going to fuck crazy. Particularly the second or third one. The first one was hard too. Next song is Sitting Ducks featuring Benny the Butcher. I feel like every time I hear that ad-lib, I just know he about to spit some shit. Only time he didn't really spit like that was on Robert Glasper shit. He was just chilling on that. I fuck with that shit.
Yeah, that shit's still hard.
Yeah, for real. If y'all don't know that song, y'all gotta check it out. But he ain't rapping heavy. It's just like a vibe to catch. You feel me?
Ain't no stopping me. I'm above Ken. We apostrophes. Seen on sides and all I see outside.
Come on. The first lines be crazy on his shit, man.
Above Ken. We apostrophes. Seen on sides and all I see isosceles. Pyramid schemes and the atrocities they causing ain't everything's gravy. You crazy. Roll up the flower. These niggas keep pushing up daisies. Pour out some cognac. I'm holding the bottleneck. Lazy boiling back in my seat. Black on my teeth. Activated charcoal poison back in the streets. Acclimated hardly just charged up. Batteries is aggravated. Tell them they can't spar with us.
I don't know why, but Ro just sound like he just hungry on this album. Like you attacking the fucking beat, bro. I fucks with it. The way you rap it made me think you just in the studio like, oh nah, these niggas gonna hit me.
Batteries is aggravated. Tell them they can't spar with us. I seen the end. They don't want to start with us. It'll cost him an arm and a leg. The other leg, the other arm in his head. Margarine message. Don't gotta be butter just as long as it spreads. They in niggas. We don't bury truth. I don't know grave diggers. No chains, ain't no slaves with us. What you coming? No propane, keep that flame with us.
Yeah, it's Big Clip Butch, ain't no bargaining with the family. My hoes send each other news like Ari and Young Miami. I'm rummaging through trash. Now I'm running through this cash. You got.
It's something about Benny the Butcher. I don't really listen to that nigga, but I love his fucking delivery. Now that's one nigga I can say that sound hungry every time I hear him spit, bro.
Butcher, nigga.
A snitch don't deserve to be safe. Don't say a word, just make him pull that boy mine like a paternity case. I spent 2 bricks on this rollie, woke up and went jewelry shopping. I'm a scuba diver, so I still can't get my respect. I'ma shoot it out shit. The corner room at Noble, that was the best reservation.
I can't get my respect.
I will shoot it out of him. Bro, these features is crazy already, bro.
Room at Noble, those the best reservations. Associates over friends, cause it'll be less expectations. Fuck that niggas going if you ain't stacking that up. By the time my album drop, I'm gonna be wrapping that up. Another plug, I need options. I'm picky with the dope and my bitches. I ain't going 50-50 with no hope.
Yeah. Next song is Smoke Breakdance, featuring JID.
And I keep rolling up. We blow it down, we blowing up. Hot air in me, we going up. Still is no feet going up, fees going up. We pulling up, we throwing up gang signs. Trees going up in flames, find us a forest fire every smoke break. We finna rebuild, no home. People with us, people with us. That come from the FaceTime. Low key like the baseline, got smoke and I keep rolling up. Keep getting high, beats getting low, we getting by. I can complain, I wouldn't know how to make you feel me. I know they can smell me though, I know they can see a motherfucker coming from a mile away. I ain't sending smoke signals, big smoke sends signals. Either way, don't it, put an 8 in it. Motherfucker got some weight on it and some wax in it, don't play with it. Keep rolling up. We blow it down, we blowing up. Hot air in me, we going up. Still is no feet going up, fees going up. We pulling up, we throwing up gang signs. And I keep rolling up.
I roll this 1 for the roll, 2 for the show, 3 for the dough, 345. Got a 50 piece from the wing spot. Kick that my mind. It's just a little bitty piece of weed to make a nigga feel like he ain't going off the deep end. I ain't even been sleeping by the week. Didn't even think about it. We was at the bottom. I was got it by the beats, got it by the guns, got it by the streets. Where the money said he got it by the week to get it, dog. Got him by a leash. Everybody do a blunt toast like the white folks when they clink glasses. Told my nigga at the front toe, so I move slow, but I think faster. 12 knocking at the front door. Shh, be quiet. keep passing. I don't wanna see nobody that I know and love laying in a deep casket. But through all the stress and madness, a nigga keep running low.
Next song we got is 007.
Hey, niggas stepping on their own feet, they not bow-legging. Toy Stories, we been toe-tagging. Mustard Zinky got the dough stacking. 2 Sports, nigga, Bo Jackson. 2 Sports, I'm on prime time.
I was not expecting that shit to drop like that. That shit was crazy.
Niggas stepping on their own feet, they not bow-legging. Toy Stories, we been toe-tagging. Mustard Zinky got the dough stacking.
That shit kind of funny. Niggas stepping on their own feet, they not bow-legged.
Hey, niggas stepping on their own feet, they not bow-legging. Toy Stories, we been toe-tagging. Mustard Zinky got the dough stacking. 2 Sports, nigga, Bo Jackson. 2 Sports, I'm on prime time. Green grass, if I wanna die, nigga, I'm having what the goats having. Yachts if we talking wave making, we been wakeboarding, niggas still sleeping. Auto rocket, I'm in X Games mode, y'all niggas sound like squid speaking. Money hungry, still squid gaming. Penny pinching, nigga been scheming. Money penny, I got bonds working, told them this ain't no time to die. Niggas from round the way, this ain't no time to die. Niggas from round the way, my people's down the ride. We fucked around and found a way out. We fucked around and found a way. We fucked around and found out. Follow me, I got moose tracks. The right 2 cents is worth 2 bags. I talk that old jazz, I lie Dave Brubeck. Push keys so dope, made you sweat. Finna go all out. Now beauty ball gave new breath with pump action. Dodge the hate with the same 2-step. This ain't no time to die. Niggas from round the way.
His beat selection been going crazy so far. Next up, we got 2004. This got a star by it already, which is weird because the shit just dropped. And Guapanese don't even got a star by it. But yeah, 2004, let's get it.
Hey, I'm still low-key as fuck what you want, nigga.
Hey, yo, this is that snippet. You know when I said I wanted 2 or 3, that nigga definitely went to 1, which is crazy. I'm hoping for the next 2. Or at least one of the next 2. But nah, this shit be vibing.
Hey, I'm still low-key as fuck what you want, nigga. I've been with the same motherfucker since 04, nigga. They know I ain't changed that much, it's just growth, nigga. Run that night. Shout out Solar 5, he don't gotta pick a side. Hey, GD's fights for stones in the room and it's vibe. What a time to be alive. Hey, seen them pulling masks up before fucking fires. Smoke they in my eyes. Hey, what's a little turbulence? We came up off a pothole. You don't wanna pop smoke. No too many potheads. Clearly you did not know. Hey, I'm still low key as fuck. What you want, nigga? I've been with the same motherfucker since 04, nigga. They know I ain't cheap. You wasn't there 4-6. We don't know niggas.
Shit, song over already. Nah, that shit was harder than I expected it to be.
In the concert, that'll go crazy.
Yeah, I was. That's all I was thinking about. Like, I bet you when this nigga perform that shit, he gonna be going crazy live. Next song we got is Roy G. Biv. Yeah, that other shit, bro. I'm going crazy. Oh my oh, yo. Look, this ain't a snippet or anything like that, but boy, this shit is crazy.
That shit hard.
For real.
This freckle face nigga mug just called red. Roll tide soul had auburn in his head. Light brown skin, a family traded in the shed. Used to try to make niggas use his real name instead. A whole lot of green, all kind of green in this bitch. I understand why it infatuate. Smoking on something chartreuse, I guess a nigga tend to oversaturate with this hue. See blue faces and jaded eyes.
And I'm crazy, bro. He oversaturated with the hue.
Saturate with this hue. See blue faces and jaded eyes. And olive branches and blatant lies. You can get this too. What brushstroke did you get stuck in? What kind of palette you mixed up in? Black lights come out and we see that we all stay. And pink slips come out and you can't have enough drive. They been pulling yellow cards on the squad all game. game. We just trying to kick it. Channel Orange got enough vibes. Can I be frank? Fuck the silver and blonde. Need these ebony flows out the white gaze.
I know, and then he said silver and blonde. Like, he going crazy, bro. That nigga went on like a whole rhyme scheme full of colors, bro. I'm trying to tell you. It's crazy how rappers do that shit. The way that rappers be having schemes, and it can mean something totally different, but it also follows another meaning. That shit amazes me so much. But it don't even gotta be like a wordplay scheme. Even like when they have just a regular rhyme scheme, like on Mama. Like the fact that he rhymed fucking intimate sentiment. Like how much time did he rhyme that shit? I don't know. But it was way too much for him to be making sense of what he talking about.
Fuck the silver and blonde. Need these ebony flows out the white gaze and beyond. Ain't no more gray area though. That ain't the shade that we on.
Yo, that is crazy, bro.
Gray area shade.
That's not the shade that we on, bro. Spit that shit, yo. I love this shit, man. This is why I love hip hop so much, man. It's so amazing what people can do. The fact that it started out over some party shit and then evolved to this type shit is crazy. Next song we got is Pasta.
All I see is imposters. Niggas postures is al dente. Rarely kick it without a sensei. Just bricklay. Y'all got the thrift thing, all this secondhand smoke. I pass. Perpetually bitch made watch his secondhand coast. No doubt. Niggas convince me with the Swiss cheese. Got a feeling those gaps. Don't wanna see sinners told. Nigga, Desert Eagle through the sands of time. No feathers feeble. I went the storms and did the pantomime. I rarely speak on. The press don't know I'm way more low key. Meet me on the bass clap. I can't stress. You niggas pray about it. I'm the.
Damn, that nigga, for real. I noticed I paused it. What is up with this nigga in the word low key, bro? I feel like he always say that shit.
These niggas shape shift. They make scenes. They like to act. This shit don't make sense. Playwrights. These motherfuckers is on stages. I'm on the 50. I got a Heisman Trophy with me. Stiff arm in my dickies. Got a couple dogs that's purple. You never know who with me. She get thick on this side, all the groping inside. I toss the roach and let the chest rise. I'm in my bitch ride. She whip that shit like it's a big wheel. I'm good with this vibe.
That's a name I ain't seen in a minute, but we got Farm to Table featuring Vic Mensa. That nigga can rap though. Well, he used to. I ain't hear him in a minute. Shit crazy.
Hey, bad bitch on my arm, and she's no bitch.
Okay.
Smoke straight from the farm, I'm on my gross shit.
Yeah, okay.
Passado the sip, how much I pour ya? She in the Oscar de la Renta, I might have to de la Hoya. Don't even ask me, nigga, I came fashionably late. That style was Condé Nast, that Pyrex. Hers was more of an architectural digest. I digress with our chest. We both get to speak in our minds. All kind of interior designs. Superior grapes from inferior vines. Switch your time, fuck the waves if I could bury the moon. I mean,
sometimes it's like, I know he's saying some shit, but it's so hard to follow sometimes, bro. Architectural digest. Then later he said something about interior design. He telling a story about him and a girl, I'm guessing. It's hard to catch on first listen right now, but I feel like I'm on to something.
Curious times, it's loose noodles, no furious spoons. Fuck the waves if I could bury the moon. I mean, shit is getting very cartoon. I keep this bad bitch on my arm, and she's no bitch. From farm to table, had to run it up. I never harmed an ankle. And a distribution chain so major I could start a label. We done got the 93 boys hotter than Carl Gable. Sometimes I wish I could take a weekend off, but I'm hardly able. That's fashion week, far preceding you rappers even having seats. It's an armor wacko, but waffle, this shit a masterpiece. I'm fine arts masterpiece. Sidebar, cash is king. My large bag of dreams. My daddy went Yankee, his son slanging gasoline. $1 million in the first 3 months. That's like 2 billion streams. They been owing us for the way they plundered the continent. Got the world buying plane tickets off of my Ghana trips. I been walking it, my nigga. Now let me talk my shit. Bad bitch on my arm, and she's no bitch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next song we got is Guapanese. I'm gonna tell you right now, this beat is crazy.
Gotta let this bitch breathe.
They say money talks. These niggas let they money talk.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I don't think I ever heard him speak. He got a funny walk. Hey, all these niggas ever really talk about his money. I think all these niggas got to talk about his money.
Yeah.
His man's locked up, he can't bond him out, it's funny. God forbid they chalk him out and find out it's no money. Damn!
That's crazy. It's crazy because he said something like, niggas always talk about money, but like when it's time for their homies bail or shit that's in jail, that nigga's still in there type shit.
It's a stack of ones just like him and they hide behind the 20. Come outside, ain't nobody finna jump you. Gave us conclusions.
For real, that's crazy, bro. They gonna have the money by their ear flexing and shit like it's all hundreds, but niggas know they got ones behind that shit.
20. Come outside, ain't nobody finna jump you. Gave us conclusions we didn't even have to jump to. I know they put the stock, but somebody else punked you. Manufactured beef, you can't get this from no butcher shop. All my cash cows grass fed, you can smell it when I come through. Told her keep walking, baby. I know you know them same dollars. Keep talking, only want the handicaps when we parking. Probably won't catch me snorkeling. Surface level shit put you in deep water. It sounds so much different than how niggas look. It feels so much different than how niggas walk. They say money talk.
Next song is Mop. Oh, you stupid. That's crazy. What the fuck? I did not know that, bro. I promise y'all I did not know that, bro. The beat just sounded like some shit he'll produce, bro. His shit be hard.
Shorty mama was needing a dough. I've been breaking bread, grew up in the church, did the stained glass fam. I've been breaking bad in the breeze on some windbreaker shit in these trees. Like I got a hidden drag and the balance is evident.
That's what I mean, bro. Like that shit was just too much right there. Like somebody always needed dough or some shit, and he always been breaking bread. Dough, bread. It mean the same thing in both ways. Food, bread, money as well. But you also break bread while you in church.
Avatar never out of my element. If I can, I'm Star Trekking it too. I mean, let's be for real. Y'all can't glow with my Hugo. A clock light years with the hue glow. A nigga too far ahead. Too slow coming off of the line. They talk drag, but it's a marathon. I thought he told you. I just keep it clean as I'm supposed. Fabric softener. These niggas is hoes. Fresh out the machine. The way I seen niggas fold. I do my paper the same. Landscaping on my grass look green. I ain't gonna say it's the same, but you know, shit ain't always what it seems. I just keep mopping these flows. Who knows? The chemicals shit got me exposed to fertilizer. We was just trying to grow. No pesticides. You gotta weed out your bros. Uncircumcised. Got extra skin in the game. A million more like me in the fold. That's how I'm coming. Wherever we grazed. If I spend it, it's a melon rebate. I get it back. I need it ASAP. ASAP. Yeah. I need a mop. I hit the water with some Ajax. Yeah.
And even myself as a man, and I think it just takes time to get there. You know, I don't think that that's something that anybody is gifted when they become, you know, a man or when they find out who they are. That's a journey that you're on, and you know, trying to rush that doesn't get you anywhere except where you don't want to be fast, you know. And so allowing yourself to make mistakes and learn and grow from that, understanding that it's all molding you to get to where you're going. I recognize there's a lot of patience in that, trying to have more of that.
Good job, Jenkins. You had a lot of time left. I thought you was about to switch it up with some shit. But it's all good. Nah, I fucked with this project though. It's a lot shorter than the projects I'm used to hearing from you.
Did your job, Jenkins.
Definitely. I feel like beat selection was phenomenal.
Freddie killed that bitch.
Benny did too. I fucking like Vic Mensa. I like hearing him step in that bag. I like hearing him like that. First 4 songs is like my favorites. Roy and Guapanese probably. The song I enjoyed the most was probably the first one.
Favorite fucking song. Yeah, that was the one.
Roy G. Biv. Guapanese grew on me after I listened to it again. Let me know what y'all think about The Patience by Mick Jenkins. And comment down below your favorite song. For all my homies out there, I want y'all to have a wonderful day. We'll see you a lot of blessings, money, and positivity for the day tomorrow and forever. Know what I'm saying? SpikeLeak tuning out, Wavy is boss in the game.
Letty is petty is tuning out.
Checking yourself out or some shit.
Tuning out.
Alright, see you next time.